Hello everyone, welcome to NRI channel. Dear students, in the last class we have completed the 3 examples from the exercise number 6.3. Today we'll discuss about the 10th main question. Try to understand the question what they given. CD and GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on the side AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. Here they given two triangles ABC and EFG. One CD and GH are the bisectors of the angle ACB and angle EGF of these two triangles on the side AB and FE. So what you have to prove that respectively, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, now both triangle they given are similar, you have to show that CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG and these two questions. So first, based on the question, you have to draw the triangles. They given the two triangles. One triangle is ABC, ABC, and one more triangle is EFG. So which are the bisector? CD. So I have to draw the bisector CD, and in this triangle what is the bisector? GH. Correct. EFG, no? Yes. GEFG. This EFG and GH is the bisector. What is mean by bisector? Bisector means divide into the two equal angles. Now this angle is equal to this angle, similar this angle is equal to this angle. So one more point what they given, ABC is similar to triangle EFG. This is F and G. Both triangles they given the similar. These two triangles are similar means their corresponding angles are equal. So how to prove the first one? See here. Given, see, ABC is similar to triangle EFG. Both triangles they given the similar. Both triangles are similar means their corresponding angles are equal. So angle A is equal to, that's a angle E, and angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, and one more what is that? See, angle ACB is equal to angle this side EGF, because corresponding angles of similar triangles. So first one, see what they asked to prove here. First, CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG. AC divided by FG. Just here I will change the name here. So here I will take F. See children, this is a E, this is G as it is. So here what will come? A is equal to angle F, correct, and B is equal to, here angle B is equal to this side E, and angle ACB is equal to angle FGE or EGF or same. So first you have to take, see what is the question to prove here. CD divided by what is that? GH is equal to AC divided by FG. So you have to take these two triangles and prove the two equal elements, then you can say that both triangles are similar. So children, see, in triangle ACD and triangle that side triangle FGH. So compare these two triangles. So angle A is equal to angle F, you proved already. So angle A is equal to angle F, already proved, because similar triangles they given already. So next one more angle. So half of, they given bisector, they given both angles are equal means bisector. So half of angle ACB is equal to half of the angle FGE. Correct, children? So half of the ACB means which angle here? So angle ACD is equal to angle half of the angle FGE means which angle? FGH. FGH. So two angles are proved. So because you have to write here bisector angles. Bisector angles. So therefore triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. By which criteria? By angle criteria. Similar criteria. So both triangles are similar means what you can write, that their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So here you have to write therefore CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG by basic proportionality theorem. Both triangles are similar means their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So this is the first one. I hope you understood, children. See the second one. How can you say that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. You have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Again same. So in triangle BCD and triangle EGH. Compare the both triangle. See angle B is equal to this side angle B is equal to second triangle angle E, because we proved already similar triangles they given. So next here half of BCD, half of angle BCA is equal to half of angle EGF, half of the angle EGF. So half of the BCA means which angle? BCD. Angle BCD is equal to half of the angle EGF means from here to here. Is that EGH? Angle EGH. Correct. Now two angles we proved that. So because you have tried that bisector angles. So therefore triangle DCB or BCD is similar to triangle HGE. By which rule? By angle similarity criteria. This is the second one. Similar, see the third one. Let's see the third one. See opposite triangle. See this one, triangle DCA. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGE. Same in triangle. In a triangle, what is that? Triangle DCA and triangle. What is that? HGF or HGF. See again, angle A is equal to, in that triangle, angle F, proved already. Similar triangles are having their corresponding angles are equal. So next one is this angle. So half of angle ACD is equal to half of the angle FGE. FGE. So half of the angle ACD means which angle? ACD. ACB, not ACD, ACB. Half of the angle ACB means angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to that side angle FGH. Angle FGH. So now two angles we proved. Here you have tried by because bisector angles. So therefore what you can say that triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF by AA similarity criteria. So hence proved. So I hope you understood, children. So simple. See in the next example, example number 11th. Yes, see the question number 11. In figure, E is the point on side CB. The given diagram, E is the point on the side CB, that is extended until up to E, produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal in the triangle. With AB is equal to AC. They given AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC, it means both sides form the 90 degree. And one more, EF is perpendicular on the AC, correct, 90 degree. So prove that angle ABD, sorry, not angle, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Prove that triangle ABD is this triangle is similar to triangle. This one you have to prove here. Very simple concept is there, children. So see the how to solve solution. So the given, what is the given here? ABC is isosceles triangle, that is AB is equal to AC, correct. AB is equal to AC means, so these two sides are equal means what about the opposite angles here? So angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Why? Angles opposite to the equal sides are equal, correct? Their two sides are equal means their opposite angles are also equal. So angles, write the reason, angles opposite to equal sides are equal, correct. So take the two triangles, name of the triangle, in triangle ABD is and triangle, what is the second triangle? And triangle ECF. Compare the both triangles here. So ECF and triangle ABD, correct. So in triangle ECB, this angle is 90 degree. In this triangle, this is 90 degree. In ABD, this angle is 90 degree, correct. So you have to write the angle EFC in this triangle, or in first I have to write the in ABD which triangle is 90 degree, which angle is 90 degree. ADB, angle ADB is equal to, in this triangle which angle is equal? Angle EFC, because each is 90 degree. This is the first point. Then similar, see here, angle B is equal to angle C, you proved already, correct, children? So in triangle, angle C is equal to, in this triangle, angle B. So you proved already. So in triangle, angle B is equal to, in this triangle, angle C, because you proved. So what you can say that two elements is over, two angles are equal are there in both corresponding angle. So therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF CF by AA similarity criteria. I hope you understood, children. So very simple concept is there. So I'll send that homework in the WhatsApp group. Now in the next class we'll see the remaining examples. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.